Here's a little extreme weather in the news bit, and I saw this on my Twitter X feed on May 30th. This is from Reed Timmer, who I've referenced occasionally in this class. He's a professional storm chaser and very knowledgeable in all of this stuff. Was a possible tornado, severe thunderstorms in New Mexico night before I'm taping this. And Reed Timmer posted, "I do not think this is a tornado since it is too close to the inflow band. I would expect an occlusion to be farther left, especially with this type of structure. Simply incredible supercell structure, though. Likely the structure of the year." And this person named Roger Hill had tweeted out another shot of the Clovis, New Mexico beast from last night. And Reed Timmer is analyzing this and saying that little spot you see coming out of that cloud is probably not a tornado since it's too close to inflow bands, which, you're getting into the real science of all of this now. And I guess this really points out the value of a professional storm chaser, someone like Reed Timmer who understands the science behind this, because a lot of people get caught up in the pictures. They get caught up in the video and such when they see these systems. But Timmer seems to know his stuff. He does know his stuff. I shouldn't say seems to. And he's debating whether that was even a tornado. Now, the responses to his post were interesting. He does continue on. I'm just not sure. I love discussing these abnormal tornadic supercell structure scenarios. Could be. Yes, I think I saw that tornado just before the bigger one. Somebody wrote, a fellow named Connor, "I was with Roger. That was a tornado. Velocity supports it. It was in the right spot. We saw power flashes, which would be power lines being snapped by tornado winds. Don't be that guy." He's telling Reed Timmer that, and Reed Timmer responds, "It is possible there could have been a tornado with the storm, but it would be much farther left and buried in the rain." And then other people chime in. Ben Williams writes, "I was also thinking it would need to be farther west and into the rain, although that is such a distinct and smooth feature, it can't be scud, right? Would almost have to be a funnel cloud." And Timmer replies with some more pictures and says, "Yes, I'm leaning scud bomb at first." And the scud cloud, I don't know if we talked about this much in this class, but that's basically a low-hanging cloud that is produced by the winds aloft, the winds within a storm kind of drawing the rainfall down below the cloud base, and the cloud actually looks like it's sinking, and it's just a cloud formation from the downdrafts, but it's not a tornado. So again, interesting, this debate going on social media about whether something was a tornado or not. Just thought it was fascinating discussion here. I'd share this with you before we wrap up the class. Again, if you follow Reed Timmer on social media, and he does a lot of posts on Twitter or X, you'll see a lot of interesting stuff like this. So just wanted to share.